How to buy hosting. Welcome to our video on how to buy hosting. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of purchasing hosting for your website, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. Step 1. Determine your hosting needs. Consider factors such as the type of website you have, expected traffic volume, and required storage space. This will help you choose the right hosting plan for your specific requirements. Step 2. Research hosting providers. Look for reputable companies with a track record of reliability and excellent customer support. Read reviews and compare pricing to find the best fit for your budget. Step 3. Select a hosting plan. Most hosting providers offer a variety of plans, such as shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting. Choose the plan that aligns with your needs and budget. Step 4. Check for additional features. Consider features like SSL certificates, website builders, and email accounts. These can enhance your website's functionality and security. Step 5. Review the terms and conditions. Pay attention to the refund policy, uptime guarantee, and any other important details. Ensure you understand the terms before making a purchase. Step 6. Add to cart and proceed to checkout. Once you've made your decision, add the hosting plan to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. Step 7. Complete the purchase. Fill in your personal and payment information accurately and securely. Double-check all the details before finalizing the transaction. Step 8. Set up your hosting account. After completing the purchase, you will receive an email with instructions on how to set up your hosting account. Follow the provided steps to get started. Congratulations! You have successfully purchased hosting for your website. Remember to keep your login details safe and reach out to customer support if you need any assistance.